I hope so. Everybody once confirm that my voice is audible or not, and my screen is visible or not. Confirm for both voice and screen also. Are you able to see my screen and listen my voice? Okay, great. Now, what we're gonna do is we have also experienced our insert function, insert function, and now we're gonna use another function pop. After these functions, I'm going to show you some amazing thing that will make easier for you. Let's see what might be the thing. At last of the all the functions getting explained. Now list underscore var dot pop. When we use this, the at the index position, the particular number gets popped out. Now give me a particular index value, chat. Not a random value. Think that you want to remove that particular item. Like I want to remove a name. Now I will see what is the index value of name, like 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the index value of name. In that way, give me some index number and also mention that what particular item you want to remove so that I can understand you people are getting what is the list indexing is. Come on, chat. I my question. See, you need to give a particular index in such a way that you want to remove that item. So you will give me that index. I will use that in the pop function and I will remove from the list. So now you need to mention particular index and that particular item which is there at that index you want to remove. You need to mention index and that item. What, what is the item available at that index? You can give from this list only. This list which is visible to you. List underscore var. Okay, 1 comma false. Yes, great. When I remove a item which is at index 1, let's see what will be the output. Okay, now you can see chat. The false has been got removed. You are right, man. False got removed. You can see here after the false, there was 27.5. Now 27.5 has taken the false position. That is, when I access the 27.5, the index position is gonna be 1. This is how the list underscore var got manipulated. Okay, now I will remove after the pop. I will remove instead with a particular value. I'm gonna remove the item from the list. Okay, for now remove. For now remove. Give me some item. This time instead of index position, give me some item. I hope everybody replies for this question that what item you want to remove. You meet that item means that write in the chat what item you want to remove. I'm just asking you people because you can understand in better way. You can take any item to remove. Are you able to listen my voice? Okay, fine. You also give an index. Super great. You also give an item that you want to remove apple. Let's first verify it's five or not. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, five. It's correct. Okay. I want to remove apple this time. Let's see. When I remove apple, can I can I do this? Is it happening? Yeah, successfully apple got removed from this list. So list remove will take the value what you want to remove and remove it from the list. In this way, the list remove works. Now everything gone perfectly, man. Like reverse, append, insert, pop, remove happened. Very good. Now the remaining function is only sort. Now it makes a sense that when I write for integers, it will sort it in ascending order. Okay. It will makes us the sense. When I write for different data types, what does happens? Let's see chat what does gonna be happen. Let's see once. Will it print something order assumption or it will gonna give error? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Run. Now sort function has given some error. What does it given? That k it gonna not support for both string and integer. You need to make a note point that when you make a sorting between the different type of data types like string and int, it will not gonna work because there is no sense that 27.5 has some order with the name string. Obvious. So for this, I'm gonna create another list called list one with some integers. Also, I will include some floating values because I can make some order with floating and integer values. 78, 9, 1.5, 3. That's it. Now I'm gonna sort this function. I'm gonna sort the list one function. I will remove this because it's giving error. When I run it again, it will give me error again. Okay. I have removed this and I will write list one here and I will run it. Okay. I am also removing this. I will write list one here. Let's see the output. Okay. Yeah. I got sorted out. What if I write everything strings now? Will it make some sorting? Let's find out. Now give me some five strings. Any five strings. You can type in the chat. Any five strings. Any object name, any item name, anything, any word like an, out, in, something, something. You can give me five strings. You can be the one person who give five strings, or you can be the one person you can give me the five strings one by one in the chat. Okay. Hi. Hello. Okay. This one. And the next. Next, some more strings. Okay. Type. Very good. Type. Okay. I will make capital T as given. Okay. Enter. Okay. Okay. Enter. Okay. Two more strings, please. Okay. Name. Name. Run. Thank you. Okay, run. Amazing. Now, let's see what happens when I sort this list. Let's see what happens. I will print list to here. Control S. Run. Now, when I printed this, it was actually high first type enter name run, but it given some order man. You can see here it given some order. Now, how does this order make sense to us? For numbers, I can see that there is an ascending order here. For this, now you can see how actually this sorting order prioritize for the strings in sort function. Like first, it's gonna print the capital indexing value. Capital indexing character in the sense uppercase letters like capital N. First, it has taken as in the uppercase letters, capital N comes first. It first printed the capital N, then the capital T, like type here. Then it printed the type. Then afterwards, then it has been gone for small, lowercase letters, small letters, because uppercase letter has been completed. There was only two, name and type. Then it's gone for small e, that is first, small e comes in smaller case letters. Then I, H comes first, and R, run. Are you able to understand, chat? How does this sorting works for strings? Give me some yes or no. Quick yes or no, so that I can understand that you have been understood on. Okay, fine. Now, this is the all the list functions we have been discussed for today, and these are very enough to manipulate your list according to your wish. Okay, chat. Now, after this, there are three more data structures we will discuss in upcoming classes. That is tuples, you can say tuples, as your wish. Tuples, that is next dictionaries, and the last one is sets. These all four brothers are very, very important in Python because these things makes that Python very stronger now. These things make Python very stronger. Now for this course, your people might be in dilemma or assuming or thinking that when we attend this 14 days course, do we get any certificate or not? Do you have this question, chat? That do you get any certificate or not? But do you have this? If I attend this 14 days Python course, do I get some certificate that I have learned got Python? Definitely, man. I am gonna share you some links for tomorrow or day after tomorrow in your WhatsApp group. And I also I'm gonna also explain that with how that links you will get top certificates. You might also know these things or you might be new with, but these certificates are very valuable, very, very valuable than some this and that certificates. Like one is from HackerRank and another one is from Google. Because these are very good companies and they have very good brand value. And they also, however, you know that HackerRank is the thing website where you can try practice very good coding and you can maintain very good problem solving skills. if you get this certificate, then it's kind like you are really eligible for Python basic. You are really good at Python basic. And another one is Google. You know already about Google, what the Google is. Okay, Chad. I will share you these links in WhatsApp group, and I will also tell the process that how gonna you get the certificates. So let's stay tuned for this. And still, other than this, do you have any doubts regarding this, or till if anything that happened in 14 days course till now, or you have any doubts another regarding Python, or you need any roadmap? Do you have any doubts? You can ask me. Do you have any doubts, chat? Like if it's there is no doubt from your side, then you can type no. That's it. If there is some doubt, I'm waiting for you. Okay, great. I'm very happy to see that everybody is understanding well. Okay, today is end for meeting right now, and we will meet again tomorrow and discuss what are the other code data structures of Python. And yeah, let's meet tomorrow, guys. Okay, then.